Go, family and friends. I hope everyone is good. Peace, serenity to you. All blessings and sunshine to you on this day, wherever you are on this beautiful planet Earth. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sissy. Welcome. Okay, welcome to my channel. Please, if you haven't done it already, subscribe for me and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. On my channel, I talk about I talk and teach African spirituality, and specifically akooooo, and I'm originally from Ghana. So if you are interested to know everything about your ancestral, and also to know which one governs you, which one is your family, like where do you belong, who you are, and to find your purpose, your path. Yeah, that's all I talk about it here. And sometimes I talk about fashion, I talk about gemstones. So if you're interested in all, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video so others people can watch it. It can be beneficial for them, and also it will help my channel to grow. Thank you. Blessings to you. So today we are going to ask our ancestors, your ancestors, my ancestors, our ancestors and ancestors to help us these 4 days, tomorrow till Wednesday, the end of March 2021, what energy is gonna be around, what we need to do, we need to focus on. So yeah, let's start. I don't know why, but it seems the light is not focused. Anyway, never mind. So I've already shuffled the cards, and today I'm using let me show you. As always, I love using the modern witch tarot deck. And the oracle card is work your light. Yeah. Oops. And the first one, the major arcana, is the Hierophant. Hierophant. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. The Hierophant. And the Hierophant is all about value, your traditional values, your inner beliefs, not the institution, not how you are governed to be, but the institution within your higher self. So what is calling you? What is guiding you? What is protecting you? What wisdom are you sharing out there or receiving out there? So, and also I'm clearly hearing we should seek for wisdom. We should seek, and it could be in all areas of our lives. But as we are talking spirituality, so I would go into that direction. That, for example, those who are searching for their spirituality, and it could be in the religion part, but spirituality, that what deep down within you, you believed in. You hold that moral, that value. That's what I'm talking about. It's a bit down. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So please, the week, the end of March 2021, please, if there is any question, anything that have been bothering you, you have been wondering in here, and you trust someone. It could be a guru, a spiritual teacher, a physician, a doctor, any type of question. And if you're a Christian, you can go to the preacher, the pastor, not the pastor, but yeah, the preacher, the counselor. If you're a Muslim, you can go to the imam that you trust. You know, for the Buddhists, you know, the monks, you know, the also I think the Jewish or that, you know, the rabbis, you know, the vigors, all that you believed in, and you're deep down you believe in. Find someone that you can vibe with, you can connect with, to help you, to guide you, to know, and to give you wisdom. All the doors that have been locked, that person have the keys. Look down. You know, there are keys down there. So she or he have the answers. The question that you have been asking yourself for God knows when, that person can help you. It could be me, it could be anyone. You always, as I've been always saying, you have to go to someone you can connect with, someone you can easily talk to, someone you can be friends with. It's very important, like, because when you go to spirituality, what I was trying to say is, when you go to a spiritualist, someone to like, if you are looking for a mentor, a guidance, and your spirituality is your whole soul and being. So if you are letting someone in that space, you have to really, really trust your intuition. Don't go because that person is popular. Don't go because that person is unknown. You know, because sometimes we intend to go to popular people because they are popular. Everyone is talking about them, or everyone knows them. But maybe for you, that person who suits you is the unknown one. And sometimes we go to the unknown, but we should go to the popular one. Yeah. So you have to trust your intuition. And if you don't know, you go for a reading, for example, or any spiritual type of work, you know, some herbs, it could be herb, any type of spiritual work, and deep down within your soul you are not feeling it, don't force it, change it. Simple as that. So the week, look for your mentor. And also, maybe you are the mentor that need to teach someone. You are the mentor that need to bring your knowledge and wisdom to the world. And sometimes we tend to say, oh, you know, I don't know much, it's just a little. Maybe that little thing that is lost is the one thing that we need to complete the puzzle. Ooh, I'm feeling it. It's coming in here. Thank you, universe. Thank our ancestors for dropping it. Maybe let me repeat it again, okay? I'm happy that it just came in. Yeah, that little wisdom that you are refusing to share is what the world needs to complete the puzzle. So please, nothing is small and nothing is stupid. Okay, sometimes it is. But nothing is stupid to share. And no matter how small it is, it could be a great encouragement to others. So if someone asks you for advice, if someone comes to you to teach them something that you know, don't hesitate this week. Be a blessing to your soul, yourself, your family, your generation, and to others. Ashe, ashe, ashe. And the second one came in was the King of Pentacles. Mentor again. Mentor, mentor, mentor. If you know you have been, whether in your workspace or you want to, for example, you want to create a business, a company or anything like that, or spirituality, it could be anything, you know what you are looking for. You need a very solid, grounded person to guide you through it. You are doing it, it's already happening for you. You understand why I just did that. You understand later. You understand it later. You need someone who is grounded, someone who is successful, who is doing it. And it could be successful in the business aspect, the financial aspect, and also it could be, the holistic lifestyle. It could be a spirituality. It could be your religion. It could be your lifestyle, how you have been living. It could be maybe you are addicted to something and you are trying your highest best to quit, but you are not being able to do it on your own. Maybe you need a backbone. You need a support. You need a guidance. Someone have done that and have been able to quit. So you need to connect. If you know that person, you need to connect with that person for them to help you, to guide you, for you to become your best, your highest self, to connect, to be who you are supposed to be. Stable, security, and success. Very successful person. Gentle, kindness. So that was the King of Pentacles. And the third card, is the King of Cups. The Hierophant, King of Pentacles, and the King of Cups. Treat yourself, girl. My girl, my man, my ladies and gentlemen out there, Queen and Kings, we need to celebrate ourselves, celebrate with others. Be happy when others make it. Be happy when we see something great. Be happy when you see signs that your manifestation that is not yet here is happening. I hope I'm making sense. For example, you're manifesting for something and you keep seeing you keep seeing that thing a lot. And you just go with your two hands, Pia, ashe, 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 blessings, amen, blessings to our soul, the divine highest self. Woo, woo, woo. You should be happy because when you start seeing it, it's happening. It's already here. It's around the corner. And you need to grab it. You need to be happy. And as I said it in the other, I think it was last week or 2 weeks ago, on manifestation tips. I will leave the link also. When you are manifesting something, for example, you are manifesting a car. Let's say you are manifesting a Lamborghini. I love vehicles. I love automobiles. Yeah. So let's say you are manifesting for a Lamborghini. A Lamborghini. We are not going to the series, a Lamborghini. And you see a Lamborghini, but it's green. And you are manifesting for a red or blue Lamborghini. But you keep seeing a green one don't be disappointed, or don't start going, oh, it's ugly, it's na 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 na. Be happy. Bless universe, your fix is up, you're happy, and then put it out there again. Wow, it's beautiful, but my red will be more beautiful. My red is going to be this, and put it out there again. And trust me, trust the universe, trust your ancestors, it will happen. Okay, so kindness, generosity, and I'm feeling a lot of Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The water, the blue water vibe. I'm feeling it. So maybe someone who maybe you have a lot of those signs in your chart, or maybe someone like someone who represent those chart, those signs is coming into your life. So be open-minded, be grateful for everything, be kind. Be kind to yourself and to others. I keep repeating it. We take kindness for granted. Being generous does not mean always like helping someone financially, or maybe how do you say, cleaning for them or anything. Okay, maybe I need to clean. But it means being kind it can mean like that, but it can also simply mean smiling to others, giving the right direction to someone who is lost, giving your if you're in the public transport, giving your seat to the elderly person or the pregnant woman. That's also kindness. So remember to be kind to yourself and to others. And the fourth one is the Six of Wands. I hope you are seeing it right. And V for the victory. Today, when I will put the photo so you'll see the complete. It's yellow, it's bright, it's love, it's security, it's safety, it's stability, it's success, it's victory. So the week, I'm a bit excited. I'm into it. I'm so I'm happy. Six of Wands, victory, or the achievement. And it's for the end of March. End of the month of March 2021. We will not go a bit too far. From 1st March till now. Or even the smallest thing you did right. Celebrate it. Raise your hand, your feet up. You have done it. You did it. Congratulations to you. Celebrate victory. Support others. If it's possible, go with others. Celebrate with others. Enjoy with others. But always remember celebrating you. And also, it just came in that remember the good others have done for you. Even when you are not in good term with the person, and sometimes we intend to remember the bad or the ugly things that happen, the betrayal that they did. But today, the week of the month, the last week of the month, remember the good. Remember that love, that good love you had with that person. Remember that one. And bring change to you. Bring the victory to your soul. So that was the Six of Wands. And the last of the tarot cards is 4 of Wands. Celebration, celebration, celebration. If you have been invited to any kind of birthday party, wedding, even if it's through Zoom, my dear family, present yourself there, dress up, and celebrate. If you are alone, drink that wine that you like, that champagne you like, that fast food that you like, that drink you like, the dance that you don't want anyone to see. Put that music on and dance in your living room. Enjoy yourself. Celebration. You have done it. You have been there. You have been through it. But guess what? You just came out from it. All the tears, all the anxieties, all the worries, all the pain is over. You have overcome it. You are much stronger than you thought you are. You are much stronger than anyone could ever be. There is not anyone on this earth exactly like you. Your soul family, your soul tribe, your soul group are like you, but you made you and you bring something into that group. So whatever is in you, celebrate it. Bring it out there. Let the world know who you are. Let your soul be happy. Open that closet. Come out. Open that dress that you have been hiding. You don't want people to see. Wear it. Even if you have, because of the pandemic, if you have nowhere to go, dress up. Enjoy yourself. Put that selfie out there. If you like doing TikTok, do your thing. If you like doing the Instagram reel, oh God, I don't like that one. I like some, but not all. Do it. If it's your thing, do it. Do you, be you, bless you, and bless the universe with your beautiful present. You are very much more than you think you are, my dear family. So always remember to celebrate. All is good, all is peace, all is love, all is blessings. And attending that party is a big gift. Investment. It's not a gift. It's an investment, my dear people. You have invested yourself into that party. So at the end of the party, when you are going back home or when you are closing that Zoom conference or Zoom, whatever it is, was it worth it? Did you get your investment back? Be wise, be smart. Don't work harder. Work smart. Okay, so that was it for the oracle card, and we have one. Now you know why I was laughing earlier when I said it's already happening. Ta-da! Lemura Real. Wow. Creating heaven on earth. It's happening. As I said, it is happening. You have been doing it for so long. The results is here. The energy is here. You are protected. You are supported. And you are divinely guided. Don't be afraid. Go for it. Dream big and achieve those goals. I'm sending love, peace, serenity to you, my dear people, my dear loved ones. Look, I keep holding it because I want it. Look how beautiful it is. It is happening to you, for you. It belongs to you. Success, divine, the priest and priestess out there, the daughters of the rivers, daughters of the mountains, nature is for you. Blessings to you all. Pia. Big thanks to our ancestors, our divine guides, for guiding us, for sending us this beautiful message. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for me. And also your comments are always welcome. My Instagram, for crystals, for gemstones, I will leave there. And also my personal page, also there. And for all my loves, I just created a Patreon. So if you're in the possibility to support, I will also leave the link of my Patreon in the description box, so you can support. And for the little that you can, I am deeply and highly grateful to you. Also, very important message. On the 4th of April, Sunday. It's a Sunday. It's akooooo Day. Akooooo Day is a Thanksgiving. It's a Thanksgiving Day to celebrate, to honor your ancestors, those who have worked on this path before you, or those, whether it's your blood lineage, or whether whoever they are guiding you, your spiritual guidance, your spirit guides, your ancestors, your guardian angels, all the holy beings who have been here, the nature, Mother Earth, the ground, Asasiya, that you have been working on. Show your gratitude, show your thanksgiving to them. Give them the praises, sing for them, dance, and put something on altar, or just give something out, offer something out to someone. Be a blessing on that day to anyone. Mention their name when you are drinking. Offer them drink. Cheers to them on that day. Don't forget, it's April 4th, akooooo Day. Akooooo Day. Akooooo Day, it resonates with Thanksgiving. Honor them, because they are doing so much for us. And sometimes, it's not even sometimes, it hurt my soul when we give honors to things, or we give our energies to energies that are not worth it, but we forgot to remember the importance of our ancestors. As I've always been saying, and I have put the slogan in the hashtag, our ancestors is our life. You are your ancestors, and your ancestors is you. That DNA, that blood that flow in you, you are your ancestors. That family that you are from, that family that you hate so much. Have you asked yourself, why are you in that family? And all that you can also search, by finding out who you are. Your destiny, your life purpose. You will know why you are in that family. Let's stay on positive note. Akooooo Day is just around, and we have so many, I think we have 9, if I'm not mistaken, 9 throughout the year. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. But for sure, I know for sure that April 4th, 2021 is Akooooo Day. So even if you have nothing to eat, pray to them. collaboration. Give them water, honor them, and then you are allowed to ask for anything that you want, anything that your heart desires. Peace and love to you. Bye-bye.